welcome to Savar's toy review. In today's vlog, I'm gonna play with this awesome toy. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and give me a big thumbs up and hit the bell icon to get all new videos notifications. And now, let's open this toy. Hey guys, see, here's the truck, and here are the four batteries, and here is the magic pen. I'm gonna draw a line from right here all the way from right there. Whoa! It just followed me! Now I'm gonna turn a line from right there. Whoa! It keeps following me! Whoa, it turned! Woohoo! Jeep video, subscribe to my channel and give my videos a big thumbs up and share love. Thank you, have a nice day, bye, and hit the bell icon to get all new videos notification. And now, bye, I'm gonna play this, let's play. Woohoo!